Do you ever drive by that construction site that's building new homes and wish that you could buy one? But did you also know that buying a new build is cheaper than an existing one? What if I told you I can get you that new build in 30, 60, or even 90 days? Hi, I'm Daphne Hanrahan-Bruce with Coldwell Realty. Yep, it's true. Not only does the new build cost less, but it's a greener, energy efficient home with no bidding wars, no maintenance problems as soon as you move in, and even better, the interest rates are at 3.99 to 4.99 interest in certain locations where the builder will pay your closing costs up to $5,000 if you use their lender. Credit problems? No worries. The lender also has a home buyers club to get your credit where you need to be, and it's free. If you would like more information, feel free to contact me. I'm Daphne Hanrahan Bruce with Coldwell Banker Realty, your professional real estate consultant for life.